Well, hello everyone. Thank you for joining me here once again at Floor Arts by Elsa. I can't wait to get started on this one. It's going to be a little muted, but I want to see how the colors turn out. Before we begin, I am going to show you the dry painting from my previous video, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I couldn't be happier with it. The colors are just amazing. I love how it dried. Take a look at this beauty. Isn't she beautiful? Look at that. And the shine on it, unbelievable. Take a look at her. She is gorgeous. This color palette really surprised me. And like I said, the green chartreuse, beautiful. I love that color. And it shows up beautifully in this painting. Take a look at it. Let me know if you're interested. Email me at floorartsbyelsa. Elsa's Gallery at gmail.com. I'm sorry. Floorartsbyelsa.com is my website. Feel free to check it out. But you can email me at Elsa's Gallery at gmail.com. And this you can really set in any orientation you prefer. Take a look at her. She is gorgeous. Tell me what you think in the comment box below or description box below. She is really beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and put her away. And I am going to tell you what we're going to be working on. So today we are working again on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. I already have it prepped, push pins, tape in the back, all ready to go. And we're going to go ahead and get started. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, everyone, so here we are. We're going to go ahead and get started. I did turn off my overhead light just to avoid the glare that we normally get. I'm still messing around with my lights. I am flooding the canvas with titanium white by Artist Loft. So we're going to go ahead and begin. Okay, so we are all ready. Now, like I said, the color is going to be a little muted color palette, but we'll see how it turns out. My first color is Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza. Let me think. What do I want to do? Okay. So I'm going to start here. And I'm going to go up here. Okay. My next color is Pearl Sky Blue by Arteza. Next color is Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. Okay. So soft, but now it gets interesting. Now I have Oxide Black by Amsterdam. A little light-handed on the black. Okay, that's for contrast. And I think that is going to look beautiful. Now I have Pearl Cream by Arteza. Okay. It is subtle. Now I have Pearl Arctic Blue by Arteza. So lots of Arteza here. And I'm going to go for a darker blue. And that blue is going to be Primary Blue by DecoArt. So this kind of has a shine to it. So we're going to go ahead with this one. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Oh, I love it. And last color is Pearlized White by Master's Touch. And I don't know if you could pick up that shine in this bottle. It's gorgeous. So we'll see how this turns out. I haven't used this color, so we'll see. Right above that blue. There you go. Those are my colors. Let's move them out of the way. Let's torch this out. And we'll go ahead and get started. And I want to leave minimal negative space. So we're going to go ahead and begin. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty. I am going to go ahead. I'm going to pour some of this blue down. And I am going to bring my palette knife just to add some color in a section here. So with this palette knife, Absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to torch it out. Beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to clean my edges. I am going to bring you in for a close-up. Don't be afraid to touch your design, change it up, do different things. You can totally change anything that you want. Just like I went in and I added lines. You can always do that while your painting is wet. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, thank you everyone. So here she is, all wet but finished. It is beautiful. Love the colors, the hints of blues. Take a look at those gigantic cells in this petal. Look how beautiful she is turning out. Look at that webbing. And then those are the lines I added in, and you see how it kind of like completes the painting. Don't be afraid to go in and add your lines to complete. Take a look. Gorgeous. Love the hint of black. It's just a beautiful color combination. Very subtle, but effective. And I want to see if you can see the shine. So there is a blanket of shimmer here, especially here. I don't know if the camera is capturing it, but look, take a look at it right there. You see, look at that blanket. That's the Pebeo Iridescent Silver. And you see, as I glide over, you can see the shine. It's beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me here at Fluid Arts by Elsa, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.